So hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Cmatrix, which is a Termux package in your Pydroid 3. So if you want to use it, there are two ways. The first way I'm going to show you how to do it without the Termux, and the second way I'm going to show you how to do it with the Termux. So if you want to do it with Termux, you can go to this timestamp and just watch it how to do it with the Termux. But if you don't have Termux installed, so don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it without the Termux. So first of all, you have to open this link which I have provided in the description, and it will bring you to this page, and there you can see the Cmatrix. So you have to just download it as it is. So now it has downloaded. So now after the downloading process is done, I have to go to the terminal and then type cd download. So as usual, in this download folder all your downloaded files are stored. So if I ls, you can see here is Cmatrix. Now what I have to do, I have to copy this file Cmatrix. But let me just show you. What if I just type Cmatrix now? It will give me an error. So what I can do, so if I want to use it in Pydroid, what I have to do, I have to do cp Cmatrix to the destination folder, which is data slash user slash 0 slash ru dot iiec dot pydroid 3, and then files. Now if I enter, now if so this Cmatrix is copied to this folder. So in this folder all of your modules and packages and commands are stored. So now if I type Cmatrix, as you can see the animation is showing perfectly. So this is how you can use it in Pydroid 3 without the Termux. Now if you want to do it with Termux, so you have to first download the Cmatrix here. So you can type pkg install or apt. I will type apt install Cmatrix. I have already installed it, so I think so I haven't. Okay, so if I type Cmatrix, you can see it. Okay, it's perfectly working. Now I have opened a new session of Termux. So now if I want this Cmatrix in my Pydroid 3, what I have to do, I just have to type cd. Let me just came out of this folder, and if I now ls, so you can see the usr, you have to go cd usr, you have to go to this folder. So then if I type ls, I can see, so here you have to go to this bin folder. So what the bin folder is basically where all of your packages and commands are stored. So now if I ls, you can see all the packages pre-installed and installed packages that I've installed packages here. And let me just find Cmatrix. So I've now I have to scroll down a little bit. Oh, so here you can see the Cmatrix. So now what I have to do, Termux setup storage. So it will ask permission to access the internal storage. So I have to enter and it will ask permission, you have to allow it. And after that, I have already done it, so you can see. Now what I have to do, I have to copy this cp Cmatrix to my storage emulated 0. So in the main storage, so now we can see it has copied this Cmatrix in my main storage. So now I have to go to my Pydroid 3 and I have to let me just show you, it has downloaded. So you can see the Cmatrix, it has downloaded. So this is the file. So what I have to do, I have to go to my terminal. Then if I ls here, so if I so in this particular folder my Cmatrix is stored. So I have to just copy cp Cmatrix to the main Python folder, which is data slash user slash 0 slash ru dot iiec dot pydroid 3, then files. So it will copy the Cmatrix in there. So now if I type Cmatrix, so as you can see now it has successfully copied this. So this is how you can do it with Termux with Cmatrix in your Pydroid 3. So thank you for watching.